You probably know Geekom from the mini PCs, but did you know they make laptops as well? Now, this might look a bit like a MacBook, but the difference is that unlike a MacBook, it's actually affordable and reasonably priced. So this here is the Geekbook X14 Pro. It is based on an Intel Core Ultra 5 125H CPU, so 2 generations old at this point, but because of that, they are able to price this thing at just $1,000. One thing that makes it stand out is the material. It uses what they are calling skin-friendly coating on this magnesium chassis. It is very difficult to really, get the picture, but if you just touch it, it's very, very soft in a way that's difficult to explain in a video, obviously. When it comes to the screen itself, it is a 2.8K 120Hz OLED. So yes, you are getting a nice OLED display that's also high refresh rate, all at just $1,000, making this thing a pretty decent value, if I do say so myself. And all of that while weighing just 1 kilogram as well. In terms of I/O, you have 2 USB Gen 4 on the side, as well as a full-size HDMI. And on the other side, you have both an audio jack and a classic USB Type A. If you need slightly more performance, then there's also this variant right here. It's pretty much the same, but boasts a much faster CPU, a 185H, so that's a Core Ultra 9, and still is the exact same as that other model. And the best part is, it is already available and on the market right now. Plus, huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Just to Rage, Levroniak, Balazh Roka, Nada Sudanin, Meg Sumner, and Shane Allcroft.